This is roughly a 260,000 square foot lab facility.
This life sciences project had a lot of complex piping systems and it was a pretty tight footprint. The schedule was also aggressive.
All of it was possible because of the Victaulic product, because we would have never been able to maintain that aggressive schedule.
This is a marquee project for us. This is one of the largest projects in the history of our company. In our almost 103 years that we've been around, one of the oldest mechanicals in the area. And the nature of the schedule is probably one of the quickest due to the, with the size and the schedule that we had to get this done.
With our primary design group, we were able to work with Heffron really early on, identify where the movement was going to take place, and present them with options using our off-the-shelf products. Initially, we looked at different ways we could mitigate their risk by taking ownership of the design. And during that design process, we presented them with different solutions.
We use Victaulic product on where the chill water, condenser water, and the heat recovery systems. They all together, that was over 3.5 miles of pipe that we ran and close to 5,000 fittings that we installed in less than 9 months.
When we were coordinating, we had some tight areas within the ceiling that we recognized early on was going to be a challenge to have the basis of design, which was to have expansion loops throughout the floors.
When we looked at the expansion loops, traditionally, when those are done with traditional components like a welded system, the footprint's pretty large. And because there were so many different trades fighting for space up in the ceiling, our first option was looking at the natural layout of the pipe and using flexible couplings in strategic locations so that expansion loops could be eliminated altogether. Places where the expansion loops are still required, we were able to reduce the footprint of that design in the loop by as much as 80%.
The 107V, nice product. The Victaulic was a game changer for this project. It enabled us to keep our manpower down and get a lot of production in a short amount of time.
We probably would not have been able to hit our schedule had we welded everything out on this project. So just the basic nature of what these couplings afford us to be able to do and achieve our milestones to deliver these types of buildings for our clients in the time frame that we have to do them is a huge help in and of itself.